Hey guys, in this video I will paint a misty pine forest with acrylics step by step. In the meantime, I give you some good advice and tips on what to look out for during the process to get a nice result. If you don't want to miss out on similar content in the future, please subscribe. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you. First, I sketched out how the trees will be positioned on the canvas. This part can be skipped, but I think it's easier to do as a beginner because it's easier to correct with an eraser than a brush. So I'm going to paint a foggy pine forest. In foggy weather, the further away something is from us, the less we can see its colors and outlines. It's the same with this paint, and the trick is in the color mixing. Fortunately, you don't need too many colors for this painting, just 3: black, white and pine green. So the trees closest to us will be the darkest and the trees furthest away will be the dimmest, giving the foggy effect. Let's see what this looks like in practice. First, I use a flat brush to darken the gray tones from back to front, but I don't work on the details of the trees yet. This part is only important to get the tones right. Once that's done, we'll get to the details. I use a smaller Filbert brush now. I paint the backmost trees first, then the closer trees with darker grays. I work in small strokes with patience. Mixing the right gray color can be much easier for beginners if they don't try it on the painting straight away, but on a white drawing pad for example. Then the gray on the drawing paper is placed next to the painting to see if it will be appropriate, not too dark or too light, and corrected accordingly if necessary. I also added a very small amount of pine green to the closer trees, but if you don't feel like it, you can continue with black and white. pine trees closest to us will be the darkest, but not black. If you look closely, the color of these trees is a long way from black, but that's okay, so there won't be too much contrast. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for similar content. Thank you for watching.